chose the option to buy your RGS Mini with wheels, I'm going to show you how to install those wheels. You're going to flip the unit upside down. First, remove the mounting feet that are already on your unit by unscrewing them. If they're difficult to remove, you can always use a Phillips head screwdriver to get them started. Other than that, they're finger tight. And then you can insert your wheels and just turn them so that they're finger tight. And then when you put these wheels on, once you get to the very base of it and it no longer spins, just grab onto the base and turn it until it's finger tight. It doesn't have to be super tight, they won't easily come undone. Now that you have the wheels installed on your RGS Mini, it should be easier to roll the unit around. This isn't necessary for a normal operation, but it may be helpful depending on your situation.